Take command of the road in the 2017 Nissan Rogue. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, and remote keyless entry. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.